Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to edit the petsell.html file. So remember that this plan is for the next two videos, as in pets.html we are going to add more ahref tags and make more files. So let's get started. As you know, this is the file that we have. We already have this thing, so let's just open it. Wait a minute. See here, we'll go to pets we sell. So the website is like this. We'll keep this open. Now we'll open this thing. Yes. And this we have this in the body. So after that we will add another div tag. Div classes. What is the class? Contacts. So in this body, after this we will make a div class. So div call no, it's not possible. The baby color will be yellow. I want to make it light. Not yellow, I don't like it. We'll keep red. Red. This one looks good. So under this, we'll always So in this, in this we'll add pets we sell. Let's make another class. I'll add links, but what about links? Wait. Okay, handwriting. This I'll try to make it for. So here dot text font family. Text font family. And this I'll take this from here and put it here. Now let's just save this. Go to the pets we sell. The div class. In this we will keep this in another div tag. Div tag, yes. And the div class is font text font family. Text font. Let's just see that. See, it has come in this color. So now we will try to just increase the size of the text. So font size, font, font size 25. We'll just try to use the trial and error method. Font weight is 25. Let's just see. Although this is not working, we can use the H4 tag in HTML. I'll use the H3 tag. So then, in this, what we will do first, we will try to make a drop down menu. So this thing is going to be done in the next video. So thank you guys. In this video, we have just set up everything that we require for the next part of our website. So in the next video, we'll try to complete this petcell.html. Thank you guys.